In order to get this belt off, first you got to get your 3/4 inch, or I'm sorry, your 1/2 inch driver, and you got to put it over this pulley here, the tensioner pulley. Pull down on it. That'll allow you to get the belt off of the smaller pulley right there. You get the belt off. Once you get it off, then you're gonna slowly and gently release the pressure here, because the spring has pressure. Then you can take this off. Get your 10mm socket and remove that bolt. Remove that bolt to remove the tensioner pulley. That way you can get this belt off. Put the new one back on. Bolt that up first. Put your belt through the pulleys the way it's supposed to go, and then tighten up the bolts. Get your 1/2 inch driver, pull that pulley back to give it slack, and then you can put that belt over that loop again, and you should be good to go.